Hello everyone, welcome back to EduPlanet Academy. Today we are going to discuss about finding trigonometric ratios when we have right triangle with us. Look at here, we have a right triangle ABC. In this right triangle, two sides are given and one more side not given, and one crucial information they have provided as tan theta equals, if tan theta equals 3 by 4, then find sin theta, comma cos theta, comma cosec theta. These three ratios we have to find. Now we will see how to solve it. Okay, first of all, with the help of given sides, we will try to find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse whole square equals base square plus height square. Or else we can say in another words like in a right triangle, longest side square equals to sum of remaining two sides squares. Yes. What is the hypotenuse here? AC. AC square equals base square. Base is BC. And height square, height or altitude, that is AB. AC square, AC value not given, unknown side. BC square means 4 square plus AB square 3 square. AC square equals 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. AC square equals 16 plus 9 25. AC could be square. If I bring to RHS, square will become root 25. AC equals square root of 25 gives us 5. That's all. The third side also successfully we found. As per given information in the question, that is tan theta equals 3 by 4. Once observe here, where is theta located? Theta located at point C. Yes, in the view of theta, we have to consider these two sides. For every ratio in the trigonometry, we have definitions. Tan theta definition is opposite side by adjacent side. Yes, equals 3 by 4. We'll see what is the opposite side here. So by considering theta, we have to observe these two. By considering theta, for theta, what is the opposite side? For theta, opposite side could be AB. By adjacent side for the theta, that is BC, equals 3 by 4. Yes, this is enough. This is very crucial information for us. So now easily we can say, for this theta, AB will be the opposite and BC will be the adjacent. AC could be hypotenuse. Yes, now we can find whatever the ratio, whatever the trigonometric ratio with the help of them. See guys, sin theta means what? Sin theta is nothing but the formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta, theta located at point C, you can write C, or else directly you can mention theta also. Sin C equals opposite side. For theta, what is the opposite side? AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means AC. Finally, sin C equals AB by AC. AB by AC means 3 by 5. Please try to find the answer of cos theta. See students, one more question, one more similar question. In triangle, in right triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degrees. Next, XZ equals 17 centimeter. XZ equals 17 centimeter. YZ value 15 centimeter. The question is, we need to find tan X value, cos Z value and sin X value. With the help of given information, we need to find these three ratios. Let us see how to solve it very easily. The first step in the solution, that is, we need to fulfill three sides of the right triangle. To two sides are given, one side is not given. By using Pythagoras theorem, we need to find the third side. We know the process by using Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is tells us hypotenuse whole square equals base square plus height square. What is the hypotenuse here? Xz equals base square yz square plus height square xy square. Xz square equals yz square plus xy square. Xz square is nothing but 17 centimeter whole square equals yz square 15 centimeter whole square plus xy square not given 17 centimeter whole square. 17 square is nothing but 289 centimeter square equals 15 square 225 centimeter square plus xy square. 289 centimeter square plus 225. If I bring to LHS, it will become minus 225 centimeter square equals right side xy square will remain 289 minus 225, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 2, 0. It means 64 centimeter square equals 64 centimeter square equals xy square. 64 is the perfect square. We can write it as 8 centimeter whole square, 8 square also equals xy square. Both sides squares can be cancelled. Finally, xy value is what? 8 centimeter. Xy value is 8 centimeter. Yes, our right triangle is ready with its three sides. Now, in the question, whatever the ratios they have asked, easily we can find out them with the help of ratio definitions. See here, we need to find tan x, cos z, sin x. First of all, we will write the definitions. Tan formula is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Next, cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse. These are the definitions of these ratios. We'll go one by one. Tan x. So by considering x, where is x? Here at the top. By considering x angle, we have to go with these two sides. For x, for angle x, what is the opposite side? The opposite is yz. So tan x equals opposite side is what? Yz for x. Next, for x angle, what is the adjacent? Adjacent is xy. Therefore, we can write tan x equals yz by xy. Yz value 15 cm by xy value 8 cm. If any cancellations are possible, we can perform them. Centimeter can be cancelled. Finally, I can write as tan x equals 15 by 8. Cos z also same. Sin x also in the same manner we have to solve. See, when we are finding cos z, by considering angle z, we need to choose adjacent side and hypotenuse. See, by considering angle z, for angle z, what is the adjacent? The adjacent is yz by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is same for all. Cos z equals yz by xz. Yz by xz 15 centimeter by 17 centimeter. 7 centimeter can be cancelled. Cos z equals 15 by 17. Students, please try to solve the last one.